Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Odoo 18 tutorials by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the engineering change orders, which is ECOs. Okay, so ECOs are actually a crucial tool for effectively tracking, implementing, and even reverting changes made to products and their associated bill of materials. So for that, let's open the PLM and you have to go to the PLM app from where you can access the product lifecycle management and all. And here under the overview, you can see the different PLM. Under the PLM overview, you can find the different ECO types. So these types are actually configured under the ECO types in configuration. Okay, so you can choose any of these. Okay, so you have things like new product introduction, the product improvement, the BOM updates, and so much more. Okay, you can choose the specific ECO type that best suits the nature of the change. Okay, so I'm going to choose this, and under that, we are going to create a new engineering change order. So click on new to initiate the creation of a new ECO record. So what you have to do is you have to fill in the form. First of all, the description where you have to provide a concise summary of the proposed change. So I'm giving it as awesome product. Okay. And then you have the type. So here in the type, you have to select the appropriate ECO type for categorization. So whatever the ECO type is, you can choose it from here. So by default, we have created an ECO through the type, which is new product introduction. And that type will be here automatically. So if you want to change it, you can change. And then you have the apply on. So here you have to specify whether the change affects the BOM or the product itself. Okay. So I'm choosing the BOM, or you can simply change the product only. So if you are changing using product, that is if you are going to click on apply it on product, what you have to do is choose the product which has been modified. So you can choose a product from here. So I'll choose apple pie. Okay, the product can be chosen. So if it's a bill of material, means you have to click on bill of material and choose the BOM on which the modification is going to be done. Okay, so that's it. And then you have the company. So you have to specify the company if the change applies to product within a specific company. So the company is the demo company which we are right now in. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. And then you have the responsible person. That is, you can assign the individual responsible for overseeing the ECO. It's an optional thing. So by default, the logged in user is taken, which is Michelle admin. Then you have the option or the field called effective. So here you can determine when the ECO become active, whether it's as soon as possible or at date. So if you choose as soon as possible, the changes are applied to the production BOM immediately after authorization. Okay, if you're choosing at date, you can specify a future date for the ECO to take effect, allowing for better version tracking. Okay, so that's how you do it. Then you have tags where you can apply tags to prioritize and categorize your ECOs. So if you click on this, the different tags can be seen. So right now we don't have any tag. You can type and create a new one. Okay, and you have this update version. So if unchecked, the version of the product or BOM will remain unchanged once the ECO is applied. So we don't want that. We need it to be updated. So check this. Okay, and then you have the note as well as approval over here. So you have to, you have the option to specify the description of the change and its reason as well as the approvals. Okay, so if it's approved by any of these people, you can choose that from the column there. So that's the approval and all. So let it be there. And once it's done, you have the option to start the revision. Okay, so if you click on start revision, you can see the document smart button. So this enables the attachment of relevant files such as the drawings or specification to the ECO. And just click on that. So there is nothing. If you want, you can upload it from here. Okay. So that's how you do it. If you put it in progress, you can change the stage by that. Okay. Just click on this, and if it's validated, click on validate and apply changes. Okay, so whatever the changes, you can click and apply it, and it will become the effective one. So you have the different things like displays the workflow stages defined. Okay, and this will provide a visual representation of the change process. Okay, so this was a change which we applied on a product. So that's how you do it. Okay, you can carefully define the categorize ECO type to ensure efficient organization and filtering. Okay, and there will be a smart button which is called as revision, and this is crucial for maintaining a clear history of BOM version. Okay, and ensuring traceability of changes. So what we are going to do is we are going to the PLM overview again, going to create a new engineering change order for the bill of material. So I'm putting it as BOM1, apply on BOM. Okay, and I'm choosing a bill of material. So from here you can choose one. So creating a bill of material called BOM. The product, let's choose as t-shirt. The components, I'm just putting a screw. This is a random one, okay? Okay, and the quantity, let it be 5. And I'm saving and closing it. So there was no BOM. That's the reason why I created a new one. Okay, all those things are set, and other things I'm not doing anything, and I'm just saving this. Okay, so you have to choose a product as well. So it's black embroidered shirt, and I'm starting the revision. So once the change we have applied it on was on a BOM, the revision tab has come. Okay. So this is the revision smart button. So it creates a copy of the current production BOM and assigns the next available version number. So here you can see V2. Okay. So if you click on that, this is the version 2 of the current product. So this button is available only when you choose the bill of material. Okay. So that's the, you know, revision. So with V2. So this is simple step to create an ECO. Okay. So this is how you generate and create an ECO, and you know what the different fields are now used for. So that's it, and that's how you create an ECO. I hope that's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.